Feli. Welcome to the world of senior citizen. May
Yes.
the Lord adds life to your years and not just years to your life. Have a blessed birthday, sister.
Yes, happy birthday. Yeah, meron ka ng benefit. Napakaganda ng benefit mo dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya uwi ka na rito, Sister Feli. By the way, happy birthday. And naway habaan pa ng Lord ang iyong buhay upang makita mo ang kapangyarihan niya sa iyo. Salamat sa ating pagkakaibigan. May it will prolong to times 2 of your years today. God bless you. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Belle! Happy birthday! My best friend for life just got out from the gym, and as they say, 60 is the new 30, so we have to stay healthy, my friend. Anyway, good friends don't get old. They get better as they age like a fine wine. And you've been a good friend to me, and that's forever, my friend. I wish you a birthday full of joy, good health, happiness, and everything your heart desires. Cheers to our friendship forever, my friend. And Ariel says, happy birthday too. And Alex, say something.
Happy birthday, Ophelia. Wish you many more.
Love you, Belle. Bye.
Say thank you, Auntie Ophelia. Thank you for all your gifts and love. I will meet you soon. So say thank you. Good boy. Say hi. Say hello to your cousins. Hi. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate! Hope you enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday. Napaka-gorgeous mo. So, keep on being gorgeous, being lovely, being beautiful. And I wish you another year of abundance, blessings, happiness, love, and more laughter. Hope to see you soon and always take care. Bye!
Inday, sorry we missed your birthday party. Bawi na lang kami. Wish ko lang sa'yo na happy and healthy ka palagi. And marami pa tayong birthday na i-celebrate.
Hello, Ophelia. We're so lucky to have you as a friend. Someone who has a very generous heart. Sorry, na-miss namin yung birthday party mo. So maybe next time. Okay. Sige, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Enjoy kayo!
Bye-bye.
We wish you happy birthday, Ophelia. We wish you many happy returns and beautiful celebration.
Happy birthday, my dearest friend.
Thank you, Ate.
Love you, love you, love you. Mwah.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Love you. Kuya. Sige.
Hindi na nag-birthday. Ayaw.
Happy birthday. Wish you many more healthy and happiness during Wonderland. Happy birthday daw.
Happy birthday. Oh, it's a video. Oh,
Yes.
yeah. Enjoy your special day today.
Thank
Love
you.
you, Papa.
Momo Chuchu.
Happy birthday, Mamita! Good health and more power to your channel. God bless!
Hello, Mamita. Happiest birthday. I wish you happiness, good health, and always take care of yourself. And all your dreams may come true. Love you, Mamita. Thank you for the friendship. And I wish you all the best in life.
To you.
No, you have to repeat it.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday
to
me. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Mom.
I love you more.
I love you more.
Hi, Mamita! We miss you! Birthday ni Macy ngayon. Sorry, hindi ka namin nabati ng birthday. Kaya belated happy birthday, belated happy Thanksgiving, and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We love you!
Hi, Mamita! Belated happy birthday! An advance Merry Christmas! We miss you!
Nandyan na naman yung pa nila.
Bye!
Hi Ophelia, I just want to say happy birthday to you. I know you are 60 years old and many more years to come and good health and enjoy your special day and God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And the birthday count begins with a good friend of mine for 23 years. Cheers. Thank you. Inano ko na matanggal. Kuha ko na. My pretty girl friend. Kunin mo muna, tika muna, para maano. Para sa akin meron pa. Iyan na nga eh. Kasi ini-mix ko eh. There. Kita mo yung wine mo. Please don't.
That's a good to see.
Huh?
Do you want regular ice water as well? Or... So, what if you say make that
How about you, Bumbonong?
Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. I love you.
Oh. Is this any? Oh, there's nothing in there.
What is it? Well, they tell you we don't know.
60th.
So if anything,
Go